Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of sewing for beginners. Choosing your first sewing machine can feel overwhelming, right? Don't worry, I'm here to break it down into 5 easy steps, making it fun and stress-free. Let's get started. Step 1. Know your needs. What will you sew? First, what do you actually want to sew? Are you dreaming of cute baby clothes, tote bags, or maybe home decor projects? Think about the fabrics you'll use. Are you planning to sew lightweight cottons, denim, or stretchy knits? Knowing your projects helps you choose a machine that can handle them. Ask yourself, do you want to sew for fun, or are you aiming for a business? This influences your budget and the features you need. More advanced projects need a machine with more stitch options. So, take some time to brainstorm. Step 2. Set your budget. How much can you spend? The million-dollar question. Sewing machines range in price. Decide how much you're willing to spend. A beginner-friendly machine can be found for under $200. Don't feel pressured to buy the most expensive model right away. You can always upgrade later once you get hooked. Remember to factor in basic sewing supplies: thread, needles, bobbins, scissors, and a measuring tape. Consider setting aside a separate budget for these. Step 3. Research the types: mechanical versus computerized. Time to explore the different types of sewing machines. There are 2 main types: mechanical and computerized. Mechanical machines are the classic, straightforward ones. You control everything manually. They're usually more affordable. Computerized machines have a built-in computer with stitch options and automated features. They can be easier to use because they often have helpful features like automatic needle threading and buttonhole functions. They usually come with more features. Do some online research, read reviews, and watch videos. Seeing the machine in action is helpful. Step 4. Check out the features. What do you really need? Okay, let's talk features. Think about what will make your sewing life easier. Some key features include stitch options. Make sure it has basic straight and zigzag stitches. Buttonhole function. Automatic buttonholes save time and look professional. Adjustable stitch length and width. This allows you to customize your stitches. Automatic needle threader. This is a lifesaver. Don't get too bogged down in fancy features. Focus on the ones that match your goals. Step 5. Read reviews and test it out. The final step. Before you buy, read reviews. Find out what other users are saying about the machine. Is it easy to use? Is it reliable? Customer feedback is gold. If possible, go to a local sewing machine store and try out a few machines. This is the best way to see how they feel and which one feels right. Test the machine with a variety of fabrics. Conclusion: sewing is a journey, not a race. Your first machine doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to get you started. So, take your time, do your research, and choose a machine that excites you. With these 5 steps, you're well on your way to becoming a sewing superstar. Happy sewing, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Bye.